Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome back to the online classes. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about forfeiture of shares. Forfeiture of share when shares are issued at par. That's only one journal entry we are discussing. Even I told this is important from the point of examination when we come for 12 marks problem. Okay. So only one problem. Last class one problem was solved. Let us solve at least another one or two more problem on that. Okay. Then we will go for the issue of shares at premium. Okay. Forfeiture of share when issued at par. I have written a problem number. Okay. It's 2. XYZ Company Limited forfeited, cancelled 800 shares of 100 each for non-payment. Face value is 100, not 100 rupees is cancelled. Okay, 100 each for non-payment of allotment. 30 rupees is not paid. First and final call 40 rupees is not paid. So pass forfeiture journal entry. Okay, 100 rupees is a face value. Allotment is not paid. Allotment not paid. First and final call not paid. First and final call not paid. Okay. Allotment how much? 30 not paid. 30 not paid. And first and final call 40 not paid. Out of 100, 70 rupees is not paid, means of course 30 rupees is paid. 30 rupees is paid. So this you have to understand. This you have to understand before passing the journal entry. Okay. 30 rupees is paid. Allotment 30 is not paid, and first and final call 40 is not paid. So how many shares is cancelled? 800 shares is forfeited. 800 shares forfeited. So you have to pass journal entry for 800 shares. You have to pass journal entry for 800 shares. Okay, that's what we are discussing about previous classes. How to pass journal entry for forfeiture. Okay, so journal entry, how we go for the journal entry? Of course, for forfeiture, share capital account should be debited, credit has to become debit, debit has to become credit. Share capital account debit, share capital account debit. How many shares cancelled? 800 shares. This you have to write it in pencil. This you have to write it in pencil. 800 into face value is 100. Face value 100. So share capital account debit 800 into 100, that comes to 80,000. 800 into 100, 80,000. Share capital account debit 800 into 100, 80,000. So the money which is received on forfeiture, the money which is received on forfeiture will be transferred to one account. That account is called 2 forfeited shares account. 2 forfeited shares account. That is 800 into 30 rupees is paid up, 8 3s are 24, so 24,000, 24,000, so that is paid, 30 rupees is paid. So which installment is not paid? Allotment 2, share allotment account, 2 share allotment account, 800 into 30 rupees is not paid, 8 3s are 24, 24,000. Share allotment is not paid, 800 into 30. So one more installment is not paid, that is final call 2 share first and final call account. 2 share first and final call account, 800 into 40, 800 into 40. 32,000, 8 4s are 32, 32,000. You can check it, debit is equal to credit. Okay. So I repeat, 800 shares is cancelled. Out of that 800 share, 30 not received, 40 not received. Allotment not received, first and final call not received. So 30 is received. So received will be transferred to one account, that is called forfeited shares account. And which installment is not received? Of course, the 2 share allotment account and 2 share first and final call account. Okay. So 800 into 100 full share capital account, 800 into 100, received amount 30, not received 30, 40. Separately you have to show. Okay. Of course, every journal entry should be supported by narration being forfeiture of 800 shares, forfeiture of 800 shares for non-payment of, first allotment, non-payment of allotment and first and final call money. Allotment and first and final call money. So this is a narration. Okay. So forfeiture of share, keep it in your mind. Of course, you have 12 marks problem. In the 12 marks, this also entry will come. So totally 9 entries will be there. Out of the 9 entry, this is also 1 entry. Okay. So first 6 to 8 entries that I have completed already. Issue of shares at par, issue of shares at premium. Okay. Like that, one by one it will come. The remaining 2 entries, I will come to that later. So understand, this is also important from the point of examination. Okay. Let me solve one more problem on this. When shares are issued at par, how will go? Yes, let us solve one more problem on that. When shares are issued at par, forfeiture. Raju Company Limited forfeited 1200 equity shares of 25 each. That means 25 each, that is a face value. Okay, one share price 25. Why it is cancelled? Because of for non-payment of final call money rupees 8. Okay, that means 25 rupees is a face value. Okay, let me write here. 25 rupees is a face value. Only one installment is not paid, that is called final call. Final call rupees 8 is not paid. Out of 25, 8 rupees is not paid means paid will be 17. Paid will be 17. Okay, application, allotment, first call. Application, allotment, first call. 3 installment is paid. Only the final call 8 rupees is not paid. Okay. So first thing you have to understand that when you go for a forfeiture. Okay. How many shares is cancelled? 1200 shares is forfeited. 1200 shares is forfeited. Okay. Paid 17, not paid 8 rupees. That you keep it in your mind to pass the journal entry. Okay, let me start a journal entry. Yes, but here equity is given. Equity is given. You have to add a word equity. Okay, so forfeiture journal entry will go like this: equity share capital account debit. Equity share capital account debit. Share capital, but here equity is there. That is why equity share capital account debit. 1200 shares is cancelled. How many shares is cancelled? 1200 forfeited. So each share price is 25. Each share price is 25. So 1200 into 25, 30,000 rupees debit. 30,000 rupees debit. 1200 into 25, 30,000 rupees debit. Now how much is paid? 17 rupees is paid. That will be transferred to one account. As I already told you, that will be transferred to forfeited shares account. The money which is received on forfeited shares will be transferred to one account, that is called forfeited shares account. So 2 forfeited shares account, 2 forfeited shares account, 1200 shares into 17 rupees. 1200 into 17 rupees, 1200 into 17 rupees, 20,400 credit. This money is received, 20,400. That should be credited, that is amount is paid. So which installment is not paid? 8 rupees. So that separately. 2 equity share final call account. 2 equity share final call account, 1200 into 8 rupees is not paid. So 1200 into 8 rupees, so 9,600. 9,600, you can check it, this should be equal to this, debit must be equal to credit. Okay, 1200 into 8 which is not paid. So 9,600, of course narration being forfeiture of forfeiture of 1200 equity shares, 1200 equity shares for non-payment of final call money, non-payment of final call money. So this is a narration for this one. I repeat, 1200 shares is cancelled. Why? Because of non-payment of 8 rupees. Out of 25 rupees is the face value. Out of 25, 8 is not paid. So the remaining 17 rupees is paid. 17 rupees is paid. Okay. So the amount which is paid should be transferred to forfeited shares account. Okay. For cancellation, share capital account credit has to become debit. Equity share capital account debit, 1200 into 25 face value, 30,000. To forfeited shares account which is paid, 17 rupees paid, 1200 into 17, 20,400. Which installment is not paid? Final call. To equity share final call account, 1200 into 8, 9,600. Okay. Narration being forfeited shares, forfeiture of 1200 equity shares for non-payment of final call money. Okay. So this is about when the shares are issued at par. Okay. When shares are issued at premium, how we will go about the journal entry on forfeiture? That is a very important from the point of examination. Okay. Let us moving on to the next one. Forfeiture of share when issued at premium. Yes, this is about forfeiture of share when shares are issued at premium. Forfeiture of share when shares are issued at premium. Keep it in your mind when premium amount received on forfeiture. Yes, you have to write this one in your notebook. Pro forma journal entry, you have to write this one in your notebook. Like this only, forfeiture of share issued at premium when premium amount received on forfeiture. Okay. So this is a pro forma journal entry. Share capital account debit. To forfeited shares account, to share allotment account, to share first and final call account. To share first and final call account when premium amount is received. Okay, let me take an example. Yes, you write this one in your notebook, then you can listen the example. Okay, let me take 100 rupees is a face value, issued for 110, application, okay, rupees 30. Let me take here, premium is included here, the 10 rupees is included here, okay. Allotment, rupees 20, first and final call, okay, let me take this one as 30, first and final call, rupees 50, so total 110, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 50, 110. Okay. 100 rupee face value issued at 110. Okay. Application is 30, 10 rupees is included here only premium, 30 allotment, first and final call. Okay. Assume the share application money is received. Allotment is not received. First and final call is not received. Okay. Let me take only one share for this example. Okay, only one share. I will take only one share, that is 110 rupees. Okay. So how to pass the journal entry? Share capital account debit, one share. Okay, share capital account debit. This one you don't write it in your notebook, just understand this. One share. Face value how much? 100 rupees is the face value. This is called issue price. This is called face value. So 1 into 100, 100 rupees. 1 into 100, 100 rupees. Share capital account debit, one share is cancelled. Let me take one share is cancelled. 1 into 100, face value, you have to take there 100. To forfeited shares account, Okay, to forfeited shares account. Application, is it application is received? Yes, application money is received. That means application money is paid. Whether premium money is paid? Yes, that is what? When premium amount received on forfeiture, premium amount is received. So when premium amount is received, what we have to do? For one share we are calculating, out of this 30, 10 rupees is there, no? That we have to minus. That means here we have to take 1 into 20. Not 10 rupees. 10 rupees should not be included. When premium amount is received on forfeiture, while calculating the forfeited shares account, while calculating the forfeited shares account, premium should be minus. The money which is received, premium should be minus. That means out of 30, 10 rupee premium you have to minus. So, 2 forfeited shares account, 1 into 20, 20 rupees. 1 into 20, 20 rupees. Share allotment not received, 1 into 30, 1 into 30, 30 rupees. 1 into 30, 30 rupees. Share first and final call account, of course 1 into 50, 1 into 50, 50 rupees. You can check it, 100 rupees you are getting for one share. 100 rupees there and 100 rupees here. Okay. You can write being forfeiture of one share for non-payment of allotment and first and final call money. Okay. So, this is a pro forma journal entry when shares are issued at premium. Okay. So, be careful when you are calculating this forfeited shares. When you are calculating forfeited shares, you should minus premium amount. So, from the point of examination for PUC level, especially for you, this is what they are going to give when premium amount are received on forfeiture. Okay. Let me solve at least 1 or 2 problem on this, how we will go. Okay. Yes, let us solve one problem on that. Forfeiture of share when issued at premium, when premium amount is received on forfeiture, how to pass journal entry. XYZ Company Limited issued 5,000 shares, totally 5,000 shares is issued, 10 each, face value is 10 each at a premium of 2 rupee per share. That means 10 rupee is issued for 12 rupee. So, this is called issue price and this is called face value. Okay. 10 each at a premium of 2 rupees per share. The amount payable 2 on application, 5 on allotment including premium, 5 on allotment including premium and 5 on first and final call. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So, 12 rupees are the issue price. Okay. All the shares were subscribed and money duly received except 500 shares. So, 500 shares which is not received on which one? Non-payment of first and final call money. First and final call money is not received. That means they paid allotment, they also paid application. Application is also paid, allotment is also paid for that 500 share. That means that 500 share premium amount is also paid. Premium amount is also paid. That is what, when premium amount received on forfeiture, these 500 shares is cancelled. Why 500 shares is cancelled? Because of non-payment of first and final call. Only one installment is not paid. 2 installment is paid, allotment is paid, application is paid. Application to allotment, allotment is including premium. That means on 500 premium amount is received. Okay. So, when premium amount is received on forfeiture, what is the journal entry? That is what we will going to pass it. Okay. So, here how many shares are cancelled? 500 shares are cancelled, forfeited. 500 shares are forfeited. So, why 500 shares are forfeited? Because of non-payment of, actually it is 10 rupees, issue price is 12 rupee. Why it is? Because of first and final call rupees 5 not paid. Then how much is paid? Application and allotment is paid. So, out of 12 rupee 5 not paid means totally 7 rupees is paid. 7 rupees is paid, that is 2 is paid, 5 is paid. Okay. Including premium amount is paid, keep it in your mind, 7 rupees is received, 7 rupees is received including premium. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to pass the journal entry. Okay. So, journal entry will go like this. For cancellation, share capital account has to be debited, share capital account debit, share capital account debit. Be careful here now. Share capital account debit. How many shares is cancelled? Totally 500 shares is cancelled. What is the face value? 10 rupee is the face value. Be careful, not 12 rupees. Don't take 12 rupees. 12 rupee is the issue price. Face value is 10 rupee. 500 into 10, 5,000. 500 into 10, 5,000. Share capital account debit 500 into 10, 5,000. So, how much is paid? 7 rupees is paid, that will be transferred to one account, that is called forfeited shares account, to forfeited shares account, to forfeited shares account. Be careful here, 500 into 5 rupees you have to take. Why? Because out of the 7, premium amount 2 rupees is there not? 2 rupee premium you have to minus. Okay. So 2 rupees should be minus out of 7. 2 minus means, so you have to take 5 rupee. Why 2 rupees should be minus? Because premium is received. Premium amount is received on forfeiture. While calculating premium amount, here 2 rupee you have to minus, so you have to take it 5 rupees. 500 into 5, 2500. 2500 to forfeited shares account. 500 into 5, 2500. Which installment is not received? First and final call. So to share first and final call account. To share first and final call account. 500 into 5 rupees, which is not paid, 2500. To share first and final call, 500 into 5, 2500. Debit is equal to credit. Of course, narration being forfeiture of 500 shares for non-payment of first and final call money. First and final call money. Okay, so this is when issued at premium. Here you should be careful, especially year calculation. Okay, 7 rupees is received, but 2 rupee premium should be minus, and you have to calculate 500 into 5, 2500. You have to take your face value, here 5 rupees. Okay, why it is 5 rupee? 2 should be minus. Okay, let us solve one more problem on this issue of shares at premium. Okay, let us solve one more problem on when shares are issued at premium, how to go about the forfeiture. I have written one problem on the board. Arun Company Limited issued 10,000 shares is issued of 100 each at a premium of 10. Okay, 100 rupee is a face value, but issue price is 110. 100 rupee face value, but issued for 110. So 10 rupees is the premium. Amount payable 20 on application. 20 on application 20. Okay, next allotment rupees 40, that is including premium rupees first call rupees 20 and final call rupees 30. Okay, 20 plus 40, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 30, 110. So that is the issue price. Okay, all the shares were subscribed and money duly received except 2000 shares. That means 2000 shares is cancelled, 2000 shares forfeited. Why 2000 shares is forfeited? Because of our non-payment of first call is not paid, final call is not paid. That means application is paid, allotment money is received. Okay, these two money is received. 40 plus 20, 60 rupees is received. 40 plus 20, 60 rupees is received. Okay, so you should be careful when I go for forfeited shares account. 10 rupees should be minus, and you have to take 50 rupees for forfeited shares account when we are passing the journal entry. Okay, so let us start the journal entry for 2000 shares. Okay, so here, right here, 2000 shares is cancelled. 2000 shares is cancelled. 100 rupee, 110. Okay, first call not paid, final call not paid. Not paid. First call 20, final call 30. So paid how much? Application and allotment totally 60 rupees is received. Okay, let us start the journal entry. Share capital account debit. All these things you have to write it in your notebook. Share capital account debit. This is a rough calculation for my purpose. Share capital account debit. 2000 shares is cancelled and face value is 100 rupees. 2000 into 100, 2 lakh. 2000 into 100, 2 lakh. Share capital account debit 2000 into 100, 2 lakh rupees. 2 forfeited shares account, 2 forfeited shares account. Yeah, be careful, how many shares cancelled? 2000 into how much is received? 60. Out of this 60, premium should be minus, you have to take 50. Okay, so 2000 into 50, 2000 into 50, because 10 rupee premium amount is received on forfeiture. So you have to minus 2000 into 50, 1 lakh, 2000 into 50, 1 lakh. So which are the two installment is not paid? First call is not paid, final call is not paid. Separately, 2 share first call account, 2 share first call account, 2000 into 20 rupees which is not paid on first call. So that comes to 40,000. 2 2s are 4, 40,000. One more installment is not paid, that is 2 share final call account, 2 share final call account, 2000 into 30 rupees, 2000 into 30, 2000 into 30, 60,000. 60,000. Check it, debit is equal to credit. Debit is 2 lakh and credit is 2 lakh. Okay, 2 installment not paid. Of course, narration being forfeiture of 2000 shares, forfeiture of 2000 shares for non-payment of first and final call money, non-payment of first and final call money. This is a narration for you. Okay, so write down this problem and write the answers for this one also. Okay, write it in your notebook. All this you have to write it in your notebook when I come for the 12 marks problem. Okay, so with this I am going to end up today's class. In the next class we will come what they are going to do after cancellation of, for example, here 2000 shares is cancelled. Okay, after cancellation of 2000 share, what company will going to do? That we will going to discuss in the next class. That is called reissue of forfeited shares. Okay, that is also important from the point of 12 marks. Okay, with this I am going to end up today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.